Hello everyone, my name is Sarisa Krajayklang. Today I'm going to talk to you about Scara robot. Scara robot is a type of industrial robot. The acronym stands for Selective Compliance Assembly Robot Arm or Selective Compliance Escort Robot Arm. My main point is that make everyone know more about Scara robot. My presentation is divided in 4 parts. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to start with general information about Scara robots. Scara robots were first developed in 1980 in Japan, and the name Scara stands for Selective Compliant Assembly Robot Arm. The main feature of the Scara robot is that he has a joint tooling arm with some where imitates the human arm. All is operated on single plane, allowing the arm to extend and detach flow into confined area, which may it suitable for reaching inside enclosure or pick and press from one location to another. The Scara robot is one of the major classes of robots with scientific systems are experienced and integrating. Scara are generally faster than comparable Cartesian robot systems. Their single pan store amount requires a small footprint and provides an easy inhibitor from mounting. On the other hand, Scara can be more expensive than comparable Cartesian systems, and the controlling software requires inverse kinematics for linear interpolate movement. Okay, let's go into next point. Attribute of the Scara robot. The first attribute, the Scara robot. By virtue of the Scara robot parallel axis joint layout, the arm is slightly compressed in the XY direction, but rigid in the Z direction. Hence, the term zero compliant is advantageous for many types of assembly operation, i.e., inserting around pin and around hole fit binding. The second attribute of the Scara. The Scara is the joint tooling arm layout, similar to human arm, and hence the often used term act correct. This feature allows the arm to access into confined area and then react out of the way. This is advantageous of the transferring path from one cell to another or for loading or unloading. Process station there are in courses. And then implementation suitable for use in the electronic industry, used to pick up small items that in simple role, suitable for pick up and pressing tag, pick and press, and suitable for pick up small items that require higher speed to pick up and have a higher speed than robot, with mechanical arm and cutter. Both can also be used in food industry. If it is a small hard product such as bread, cracker is because the Scara robot is small and lightweight, as well as the parts of the robot are few. This type of robot is easy to install, and this type of robot has a high operating speed and remains stable even after long continued operation if the environment in which the robot is stored is subject to factory specified conditions and other requirements specified by the factory. Scara robot are suitable for repetitive and speedy application. For example, take item for conveyor 1 and press it on conveyor 2. Pick up the left side to the right side. Looping right this all the time. And finally, advantages of Scara robot. By design, the Scara robot suits applications with smaller fly of operation and wide, where floor space is limited. Number one, compact structure run of operating length and small installation footprint. Number two, has a higher accessibility. Joint coordinates robot can move their hands into closed space, like a car body for work, and like engine coordinates robot cannot do shared work. Number three, no real are required because there is no moving joint. Rotating joints are easy to seal because of bearing parts are ranges. Number of production of a standard part, resulting in friction and inertia is small. Good reliability. Number four, the required scar dice torque is small and the energy consumption is small. Number five, replacing a lot of compact work that is not suitable for manpower and human food to help. Me summarize my presentation. I have shown you basic information, working principles, and advantage of Scara robot have and make everyone know Scara robot. My main point, the basic and working principles of the Scara robots will make industrial robot not far away from you and anyone. That's all the time I have. Thank you for listening.